Trying to crush this peppercorn medley and iru in the dry blender to hump up the vegetable sauce we're about to cook. That's what's happening. I wish this was a smelly vision because oh my goodness, this is amazing aroma. Okazi that you see right now, I poured hot boiling water on it, let it rehydrate for a few minutes, and then wash it very well. And we blend it in the blender just to chop it. We don't want to blend it, just chopping it. Yeah, it looks like chopped spinach now, right? Because it has been softened with the hot water, and the post blending helps chop it. So this will make it mix very well with other veggies. Basically, with this palm oil, we're making African stew. That's what it is. The meat that is already on the fire, and then we added umami, which is dried mushrooms, and then we added also our favorite favorite secret sauce, salsa, of course, a little bit of it just to give it that oomph in that soup. Yep, it's happening. Yes, yes, yes. Powdered shrimps and fish is added, and then the pepper medley and the African nutmeg that we blended earlier on. Remember, we added everything. Time for the superstars of this vegetable soup. So we have water leaf, we have ugu, pumpkin leaf in there, we have spinach, and we also have the blended okazi that we softened earlier on. Everything is all in there, chopped and ready to be yummy. Yes, this colorful pepper is a very good addition to a very deep green vegetable soup. It just makes it a happy soup, makes it happy, and also it tastes so good. It's not spicy though, it's sweet pepper of different colors, so that's not bad at all, especially if children are going to eat the soup. If you want it spicy, put your own spicy pepper in it, that's fine. Now add any type of meat or fish you want to use to chocolate in the chocolating of the soup, then let everything cook together, and it comes so well together. Look at it. Look. Love this. Thank you guys. Choose peace, feel me back.